Think you need a paid tool to rank on YouTube? What if I told you that you can still do powerful YouTube SEO using just the free version of vidIQ?
Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description.
In this video, I will show you how exactly to grow your videos without upgrading to Pro. First things, install the free vidIQ Chrome extension. Even without paying, you will still get basic SEO score, tag suggestions, competitor tags, video performance stats. So I have just installed this on my browser. You can just add this. There is no requirement of purchasing vidIQ subscription for this. You can just install the vidIQ extension on your browser. That's more than enough if you use it strategically. That's the first step. Now, once you do that, I come to my YouTube studio. Now, since the free version doesn't give you full keyword scores, we use YouTube itself, right? So once you go on YouTube, go to the search bar and type your search item. So for example, I will just showcase Singapore Oceanarium, right? The suggestions that appear are real searches people are making. But when you type this, right, you get the top three keywords what people are searching for. So these are the three keywords you can see over here, and these are golden long tail keywords easier to rank for. So that's first. The second part is how you select the keywords. Now click the top ranking videos which appear when you type this, right? Now over here, since you have installed the vidIQ extension in your browser, what happens is that you will see this vidIQ panel. Now you can see the tags the videos are using. You can see the channel tags and video tags are appearing, and you can directly download them or copy paste them. So first things first, don't copy everything blindly. So you can see these are being ranked for. So you can add your input to it. Like in this case, Singapore Aquarium, Singapore Oceanarium is ranked one. You can add maybe visiting Singapore Oceanarium or my experience at Singapore Oceanarium, right? That way you can create your own tags and hopefully rank for it. Now the next part is using description to boost your SEO score. Now you can see the SEO score over here is 63, and vidIQ shows how they are calculating it. So most small creators ignore this part, but this is free SEO power. Your description should not just be one line. Use this structure. Paragraph 1, main keyword plus what the video helps about, right? You can see over here there is repeated instance of Singapore Oceanarium, right? Paragraph 2, details, places, and tips. You can see again they have added a deep insight into what the oceanarium is about. And paragraph 3 is who the video is for. So you can add those. They have added chapters over here, and this helps you to clearly understand what your topic is, and your vidIQ SEO score will increase. Right now comes the SEO checklist. Now, in general, if you just have a channel, you won't see anything of this. But if you install the vidIQ extension, you can see over here what appears is your vidIQ score and even your checklist. Make sure your main keyword is in the title. It appears in the first lines of description, and vidIQ extension helps you with this checklist. You can see what all you are ticked off and what all is remaining, and you don't need a pro version for this. Just make those indicators green, right? That's enough. The next part is study winning thumbnails. So YouTube also shows, vidIQ also shows which videos are getting strong views per hour. If a video from a small channel is performing well, then well, study their title style, their thumbnail style. You can see over here also. Uh, you can see the thumbnail changes which have happened. You can see similar thumbnails. You can see the title changes what they have done, which helps you understand more and tweak your title and thumbnails accordingly. Now, what free users can't do, right? You won't see the exact competition scores. You won't get the full keyword data like in a complete. So I have vidIQ extension for paid for version for my other channel, and here you can see I have access to whole keywords. You can check if small channels rank, that means low competition. You can compare top competitors and multiple top videos for tag ideas. That manual SEO, and it works, right? So This is something which you can't do in the free version, right? So you don't need a paid tool to start ranking on YouTube. If you use vidIQ free features smartly, you can still grow consistently. If, however, you want to grow your channel and start doing SEO for it, my suggestion would be you can go for vidIQ Pro subscription. I have shared my vidIQ subscription link in the description of this video. You can click on it and sign up for it. If you want, comment your next video topic below. I will help you choose a keyword and write an SEO title free of cost. Thanks. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to our channel and help us roll out more content as per your requirement.